Oh, all the babies are up. So, we...
What did you up to? What did she up to, Rita?
Because there are countless babies and families who love you. We raised money to send you to Thailand. Over 50 families participated.
I'm gonna cry.
So you get to go and expedite your passports and not worry about it. So here, this is the pretend one, but this is the real one, so don't lose it. So
a lot of old
all of
families,
these people,
you'll see the names, a lot of old families.
yep, everybody jumped at the
I
chance.
tried winning the lottery to see.
We all tried.
So
So go see your dad and your family. Take your daughter. Have some balloons. They've miscounted. Don't let the babies play with them.
We'll have to get her access because some of the parents wrote notes.